Hello and welcome to the College of Education and Health Professions. I'm Dr. Rodriguez, one of the academic advisors in the college, and in this short video, I'll introduce you to the health professions side of our college. On the health professions side of our college, our advising team is comprised of 6 advisors. I, along with Katie Winkler and Ana Ayala Barker, advise students in public health, exercise science, and recreation and sports management. Matthew Fay advises all freshman honors students, and Erica Langley and Deb Henderson advise all pre-nursing and communication sciences disorders students. You will be assigned an academic advisor based on your major. During this presentation, we'll cover the 5 health-related majors in our college. One of the reasons we cover all of our health-related majors together is that we know that on average, 80% of students will change their major at some point during their undergraduate careers, and that's okay. However, since we know that's the case, we want you to know all of your options in this college up front. In a later presentation, we'll show you how that transition between majors is usually seamless because of the overlap in courses during your first 2 years. First, we'll start with nursing. A career in nursing combines a science-based education with national licensure as a registered nurse. Graduates combine critical thinking and problem-solving abilities with exceptional communication and skills, an empathetic nature, and the ability to remain calm while providing excellent patient care. Nursing is not for the faint of heart and provides varied career opportunities as you meet your patient's healthcare needs. The Eleanor Mann School of Nursing accepts students in the spring and in the fall for a total of 200 students per year. Admission to the School of Nursing takes into account several factors. You must have a 3.0 or higher cumulative GPA to apply. They also look at science course grades and the percentage of classes taken on or off campus, among many other things. Since the number of spots available are limited, we recommend that every pre-nursing student has a backup nursing school or major. You can view our admissions policies online, and for a lot more details, we encourage all of our pre-nursing students to attend application meetings that we will hold every semester. Public health is an exciting and diverse major that focuses on the disease prevention and health promotion needs at the community level. This kind of work has been uniquely highlighted during our current events in dealing with the global pandemic. Public health work is done by teams of clinicians, epidemiologists, behavioral scientists, health educators, health inspectors, statisticians, and health administrators. Thus, the career possibilities are varied. Students completing a bachelor's in public health will be trained for entry-level jobs in government agencies, health corporations, and community nonprofit organizations. Or they may choose to go on to graduate programs depending on their area of interest. One important thing to mention about this program is that it also has an application process. However, unlike the nursing program, the number of available spots are not limited since there are no clinical sites involved. But students will have to meet 16 hours of prerequisite classes and a 2.5 GPA before they are allowed to take some junior and senior level classes. Your advisor will give you more information about this. Exercise science is for the student who is interested in human movement and how it relates to fitness, wellness, and longevity. If you love science, find it interesting, and have an aptitude for it, this is a major for you. It's a good track if you want to be an exercise scientist, move into a pre-professional program like physical therapy, medical school, or physician assistant school, or athletic training. It works well for these programs because you will be required to take 7 sciences with labs. If you have chosen this major simply because you enjoy exercise and training, make sure you carefully explore the degree requirements and make sure it lines up with your career or post-grad goals. Recreation and sports management is designed to prepare you for a variety of career opportunities in one of the fastest growing and most interesting job fields out there. Students will gain practical experience that will help them in the real world. They will undertake learning projects, real-world case studies, and sports scenarios that are taking place around them. If you have a passion for sport and recreation and you see yourself leading these efforts in your community, this is an excellent path for you. Students will choose to focus on either recreation management or sports management depending on their area of interest and career goals. Communication, Sciences, and Disorders is a major for students that want to pursue a career in speech pathology or audiology. Both of these careers will require a master's degree or a doctoral degree. Speech pathologists assess, diagnose, and treat speech, language, and swallowing disorders in children and adults, while audiologists diagnose and treat hearing, balance, and other auditory disorders in people of all ages. This program, like our education, public health, and nursing programs, will have an application process as well. Details about that will be given to you by your advisor. Those are the 5 majors on the health professions side of our college. Thank you. We look forward to meeting you virtually during your one-on-one advising session and in person in the fall.